Powerade, expand your horizons.
Do-it-yourself Dell, and we've got our guest Matt, and we're going to be washing down our donuts and cookies with some Powerade. And I'll let you take it from here.
Alright, so Powerade is a sports drink you may or may not have heard of. Looks like on the bottle it has 50% more electrolytes versus the leading sports drink. So, if you're doing high intensity workouts, whether you're running or wrestling or boxing or playing football, where you're always moving, you're using your whole body to play the sport, this would be one of those things where you really need to replenish electrolytes, replenish nutrients, replenish water. So even though we haven't worked out, you can still try it all the same. So I'll give you a cup too. Give our cameraman offside to taste. Cheers, everybody. This is the mixed berry flavor, Mountain Berry Blast. You feeling stronger already?
Well, the electrolytes do it for a long distance runner, which I can personally verify, but yeah, it's the Powerade. Have you guys had Powerade before?
Probably once. I'm more of a Gatorade guy, I guess.
Ditto that, but this is it. There's no law that says you can't expand your horizons and your appreciation and your tastes and so forth. Powerade, I got nothing against it.
I certainly don't have anything against it either.
And for bikers and runners, joggers, and active kind of people, this is kind of the beverage for you. Get the electrolytes in you.
So Coca-Cola owns Powerade, where Pepsi owns Gatorade.
Really?
So this is Coke's version of a sports drink.
Interesting.
This tastes a little bit more serious. I can't taste the sugar in this, so I haven't looked to see how much is in it.
It's got all the same stuff, it's just a subtler taste.
Yeah, that for sure.
It still has a lot of sugar and salt and stuff like that.
It's not, I'm not tasting it. There you have it, and we don't know what other kind of flavors they have, right? The Mountain Berry Blast, they call this.
I think there's like a red and a white one. They make a lot of different flavors of Powerade.
Because this and that other brand is my favorite flavor.
So they have orange, they have mixed berry, you're drinking Mountain Berry right now. They do Freezy Pops, I guess.
So orange, mixed berry.
Then they do lemonade, fruit punch, grape.
So that's lots of other flavors. No matter what your taste is, this comes in it. Powerade.
Yep, and the plastic bottle's recyclable, so it's good for the environment. And yeah, the flavor's good. So yeah, if you've only ever had Gatorade, then yeah, I would say this is definitely worth a shot if you're looking for something new or different.
Expand your horizons.
Powerade, expand your horizons.
Okay, let's give it a whirl. Count us in.
3, 2, 1.
Powerade, expand your horizons.
There we go.
White, white, white is the snow.